Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make video without showing face and voice. You can transform blog posts from your website into engaging videos. Turn scripts into professional and successful sales videos. You can use it to automatically create high conversion video sales letters, complete with stock footage, music and voiceovers in just minutes. Here, as you can see, you can use ready script. You just click on proceed and paste your script and you can create video. You can use article from your website. You can paste your existing video here and edit it, add subtitles, cut portions of your video, create video highlights, add logo into your existing video. And here is visuals to video. Create short videos using your existing images and video clips. That option is really good if you want to promote your product and to paste your images and short videos. If you click to proceed, you just paste your script here. As you can see, I just pasted script and you just click on proceed. After a few clicks you make a video example here. I will show you. This is video that I made using this website, maketextintovideo.com.
Age of recession and job losses, a lot of people have considered trying to go self-employed. The modern job search has changed dramatically from only a few years ago.
As you can see, you can make video without showing face and voice. It's very easy to make it. I will show you here. Here is your script here that you pasted, and here are some scents. You just and you can choose visuals. You just type keywords that you want to show related images. You can choose audio. You can choose voiceover. My favorite is Kendra, that voiceover that I played in this video. You can choose background music. I don't like background music because I like really professional videos. And styles, branding. After you just click on proceed and make video, and video is to be created. That video that I showed you. Very simple and easy. You can get started for free. Simply visit maketextintovideo.com.